Ow. Hey everyone, welcome to the Spike Prime series for First Level League. Last time we talked about variables, how they let us control our robot from one place instead of changing numbers everywhere. Today we're going to build a small program from scratch and try to make it actually reliable. Because right now, your robot probably doesn't do the same thing every time. And that's not your fault, it's the environment. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so for this video, we're going to start super simple. When run, we want to, from last time, we want to set our distance to 30. And we want to go forward for that distance. So, let's run it. Okay, it works. Let's run it again. It coasted a bit. Now watch where it stops each time. It's not exactly the same. Sometimes slightly short, sometimes slightly farther. Nothing changed in the code, but the result changed. That's the problem we're solving today. Let's make this a little more realistic. So, we're going to keep our set distance. We want to go forward that same distance. Let me copy that. We want to turn 90 degrees, and then we're going to go forward again. That's all we're doing. Now, let's run this. So it's going to go straight, it's going to turn 90 degrees. Absolutely perfect. Now, after a few runs, now you can see it's starting to misalign.